Hello, this is lesson 6 about surds only. So in previous lessons, we discussed what a surd is, how to operate like multiply, divide, add and subtract surds or factorize surds. We did discuss really well simplifying surds for, very advanced students who are very quick to solve things, or for students who are a bit slower like me for in calculations. So I've completed all the things. Today we are going to discuss rationalizing surds. What exactly rationalizing is? So rationalizing basically is like converting an irrational number into a rational one. Let's say, for example, we have a surd in a fractional surd, maybe um, kind of 4 over root 3. So what we want, it is actually irrational. The surd is, or you can simply understand, it has a surd. What we want to remove the surd. We want the denominator surd free. What we want a denominator surd free. So let me write rationalizing, meaning denominator should be surd free. Okay, no surd there, only the denominator, right? If your numerator, the top number, has surd, it doesn't affect. So we just want our denominator to be surd free. Now, when we talk about rationalizing, we actually get two types of questions. So the first type of question where we have a term at the bottom, and the second type of question where we have an expression. Okay, so today in this video, we're going to be discussing about the term. So I'll be taking kind of, I would say, two questions. The first one is like 2 over root 3, and the second question is root 7 over root 3. Okay, so now for this one, we need a bit of basic information. I have covered this thing in, I guess, Surds lesson 3. Just remember, whenever root a multiplies with root a, whenever two same surds multiply, we get the answer a. That means if I say root 2 times root 2, we're going to be getting 2. To know it more, I would suggest you to refer that one first. Okay, so what we need to do, we want our bottom number, denominator, surd free. So what we're going to do, we will multiply and divide by root 3. Okay, see, why are we doing this? This is an additional step we are doing over here. Now, if you multiply and divide by the same thing, you will get 1. So actually, this is, what I've written over here, it's nothing but 1. If I say 5 divided by 5, what do you get? You get 1. If I say 8 divided by 8, what would you get? 1. If I say root 3 divided by root 3, what would you get? You get 1. So this is 1, and 1 times 2 over root 3 is 2 over root 3 only. That means we are not changing anything. We are kind of manipulating the thing. Okay, so now, as you know that, applying this top method we discussed, so the top number is going to be 2 over 2 root 3 over root 3 times root 3. Root 3 times root 3. So 2 root 3 over 3. And see, we've got our bottom surd free, and that was our target, right? You have to make, you have to make your bottom surd free. That's it. Now we have the other question over here. Let's try solving this one. So this is root 7 over root 3. Basically what happens, students get confused about the same thing, like, which one to rationalize. You think for a sec? Tell me, okay. Let's say, for example, if I say root 7 over root 3 times root 7 over root 7, or root 7 over root 3 times root 3 over root 3. Okay, so what I did, I gave you actually two options here. First one is this, and the second one is this. You tell me, which option are you going to select, A or B? Yes, we're going to be taking B. Why? Because we want to rationalize the bottom number. The top number with a surd doesn't affect. We want our bottom to be surd free, right? Bottom to be surd free. So this is not the correct one. we're going to be taking this one. Okay, so what you need to do, whatever your surd is, if you have a term, a single term there, you're going to be, just multiplying by the denominator and dividing by the denominator. So you're going to be taking the bottom and multiply and divide with that. And here we go. You're going to be getting root 7 times 3. I did discuss the same thing in previous lessons, and the bottom will be 3 only. So you can say root 21 over 3. That's your answer. Right? Hope it makes sense. Now I'm going to be giving you a challenging question. Yeah, so it's here. Our challenge is here. Now, what the challenging question is, just try this. Yes, I know it includes some more concepts. Over here it's rationalizing and this is simplifying, but we have covered all the things. Like simplification is in 4th and 5th lesson, I guess. So you can visit to see 5th and 6th lesson for the same, and maybe come back, and once you get the answer, just share your answer, whether it's A, B, C, D, through comment. Okay, bye bye, take care. Let's target grade 9 for our GCSE. Bye bye.